What women want from men. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into what women really want from men. Let's explore the qualities that make a difference. 1. Respect. Appreciate her individuality, value her opinions, and support her goals. Respect is the foundation of any strong relationship. 2. Communication. Clear, honest conversations are key. Listen actively and be open about your feelings. This builds trust and understanding. 3. Kindness. Small gestures of kindness show empathy and compassion. They can make a huge difference in making her feel loved and valued. 4. Sense of humor. Sharing laughter and fun moments can really strengthen your bond. It's a great way to navigate life's ups and downs together. 5. Ambition. Women appreciate a man with goals and the drive to achieve them. It shows dedication and a vision for the future, which is very attractive. 6. Reliability. Be dependable and consistent. Show up when you say you will. 7. Supportiveness. Encourage her dreams and be her biggest cheerleader. 8. Patience. Understand that good things take time and be patient with her growth. 9. Honesty. Always be truthful. Trust is built on honesty. 10. Affection. Show physical and emotional affection regularly. So guys, it's the little things that truly count. Remember, respect, communication, kindness, humor, ambition, reliability, supportiveness, patience, honesty, and affection. Focus on these qualities, and you'll build stronger, more fulfilling relationships.